Hello, and welcome to this OrthoModel Pro 2016 new feature guide, where I'm going to show you some little shortcuts that you can use when creating a foot positive. So I'm going to go and create a new model, foot positive, and just quickly run through my process. So I'll place my key points for my imported scan. I'm not planning on being too accurate with this, I just want to show you a process. I can reposition my scan or modify it slightly, and then I've got my measure scan step. So a lot of times I'll just be measuring off the scan the same width and the same region each time. And most of this can be calculated automatically without me having to click on the scan itself. So it's just added time in my creation process. And the same with this limit height step. A lot of the time, due to the height of your workpiece that you're using, the block, as well as your company's preferences, you'll want to set these values to the same thing each time, rather than selecting them from the scan. So all of this again is time which could be cut out. So I'm going to cancel this model now and show you a new feature added to OrthoModel Pro 2016. If I go to Tools and Options and the second OrthoModel tab, down here there's a section called Foot Positive Options. The first two checkboxes allow you to automate the fourth and fifth steps in the foot positive creation process. So rather than manually measuring from my scan, I can automate that. And if I use the same heel and toe depth each time, I can automate the fifth step as well. And just below, I can set my default values for my depth to use each time. If I select OK and go back into creating a foot positive, I'll use the same scan again, run through the process quickly, placing my points, and after I get past the key point selection, you'll notice at the top here that the step skips from 3 to 6. And that's because it's automated the previous two steps based on my preferences. If you do want to go back and edit any values, you can just select the back key, and then you'll have to manually enter the heights yourself, as well as the measurements. And this whole thing should be very useful in cutting down the time spent creating a job. Thank you very much for watching this OrthoModel Pro new feature guide. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you again soon.